All right, so this is called Stash Sale. This is for President's Day. And what I did is black and whites are hard to see, but I put them together so that you could see what could be worn together. So, and first off, there's some great prices. So for a couple days, the price for 2 days, today and tomorrow, the prices are going to be reduced, and then whatever's left, they'll go back up. This is a beautiful, we had this before, this is mostly cotton. It's like a 1% lycra. It's black. Obviously, these first three are black, last three are white. Because black and whites are so strong for spring, I wanted to put them together so you could see what could be worn together. This is a linen, this is a cotton. Again, this is like a beautiful, it's just a beautiful piece of fabric. It's stretched in both directions. It's cotton, it's got just a little tiny bit of lycra in it, stretch, spandex, whatever you want to call it. Something's in there that's got just a little tiny hard ridge on it. Anyway, so that's the black. This is a linen, 100% linen woven, and you can see it pairs very well. And that was my goal, was to see that you could pair it with. Now this is a fabric that we've had in the past. It's stretched in both directions, very similar to the first one. The difference being is this is a heavier hand than this is. So if you're in a colder climate, this is going to work well. More warmer climate, this one's going to work well and can go all summer long. So this is your new pair of yoga leggings, kind of whatever you want on those. And same fiber. This is almost 100% cotton. It's got a little tiny something in there. This next one is a 100%. Well, no, this is a cotton poly. I'm sorry, it's a cotton poly, but it's a white and it's a gauze. So in summer times, we're going to do a lot of wraps, covers, all kinds of fun things that this is going to be perfect for. It's a beautiful drape. It's white. Notice how beautiful it goes with the white linen. It's just a perfect pairing, and the white Lulu, I'm going to call it just for reference. You can see those whites go together beautifully, and they're not milk, they're whites. So this first one is a cotton poly. We've got special prices again on all of them for all 3 days. It's a woven. It goes beautifully with this 100%. This is a white linen. Isn't that beautiful? Just so pretty together. White linen, beautiful, woven. When I do my wrinkle test, it just doesn't wrinkle a lot, and I'm not sure what the deal is, but it's gorgeous. These are Italian linens. And then this is a cotton. It's got, again, that small 1%. You can barely feel it when I burn that, but anyway, it's got stretch in both directions and just a beautiful knit. So the wovens and the knits blend beautifully together, so that's why I wanted to put them together. And happy President's Day. Happy sewing as well, but have a wonderful holiday.